Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to send MATIC from your Arculus wallet to Bitrue in 2025. If you're new to crypto transfers, don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step. This process is simple, but always double-check your details to avoid any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have your Arculus Wallet app installed on your device and that it's updated to the latest version for 2025. You'll also need a Bitrue account set up with a funded wallet address ready to receive MATIC. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those squared away. It's crucial for a smooth transfer. Now, open your Arculus wallet and log in with your secure credentials. Once you're in, navigate to your Assets section and select MATIC from your list of holdings. You'll see your balance there. Take note of how much you want to send, but remember to leave some for network fees. Next, head over to your Bitrue account on their website or app. Go to your wallet dashboard, find your MATIC address, and copy it carefully. This is the key part, so no typos allowed. Back in Arculus, hit the Send button for MATIC, paste the Bitrue address into the recipient field, and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Before you confirm, double-check everything: the address, the amount, and any gas fees associated with the Polygon network. In 2025, fees might be lower due to updates, but they can still vary, so keep an eye on that. Once you're good, hit send and wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes, but track it using a blockchain explorer like Polygon Scan. And that's it. You've successfully sent MATIC from Arculus to Bitrue. Always prioritize security. Use hardware wallets if possible and enable two-factor authentication. If you run into any issues, check the official support pages. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.